All right, everyone, buckle up. What if you could snag an extra $1,000 a month chilling in your PJs? Sounds too good to be true, right? Wrong. Millions are already building sustainable online incomes. The real question is, are you ready to be part of that club? This could be your ticket to financial freedom. Forget those shady, get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking real strategies here. Proven methods that turn your passions into profits. Maybe you love creating killer content? Or maybe the idea of an online store without the stockroom chaos tickles your fancy. Whatever it is, we'll explore 3 powerful paths that can transform your future. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, seriously it helps, and get ready to unlock the secrets to online income. This is your chance to become your own boss, ditch the 9-to-5 if you want, and finally achieve some financial freedom. Are you in? Let's dive in. Method hash 1. Affiliate marketing, turning your passions into profits. Imagine this. You're passionate about makeup, not just slapping it on, but the artistry, the science behind the perfect shade. Wouldn't it be amazing to share that passion and actually get paid for it? Well, that's the magic of affiliate marketing. Think of yourself as a digital salesperson for products you genuinely love. You find companies with affiliate programs, promote their products on your website, social media, or even through awesome videos like this one. And the best part? Every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The coolest part? The possibilities are truly endless. Are you a fitness fanatic obsessed with the latest workout gear? Share your knowledge and favorite brands. Do you have a green thumb and a knack for transforming your balcony into an urban jungle? Help others cultivate their own oases. Building a successful affiliate marketing business is all about building trust. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Don't just throw affiliate links everywhere. Be genuine, be helpful, and recommend products you truly believe in. Remember, people can smell a sales pitch a mile away. But wait, there's a catch. There always is, right? Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. It's not a set it and forget it situation. You need to be consistent in creating content that keeps your audience hooked. The rewards can be fantastic, but be prepared to put in the work. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros of affiliate marketing: low barrier to entry. You can literally start for free. Flexible schedule. Work from anywhere, anytime. Your couch can be your new office. Wide range of products to promote. The world is your oyster, or makeup palette. Highly scalable. The sky's the limit with dedication. Your income can truly soar. Cons of affiliate marketing. Consistent content creation. This is key. No one wants to follow a dusty, abandoned channel. Earning potential can vary. It depends on your audience size, engagement, and conversion rates. Relies on conversion rates. Not everyone who clicks buys, so be patient and keep creating value. Is affiliate marketing right for you? This path might be perfect if you love creating content, have a niche audience you're passionate about connecting with, and enjoy promoting products you genuinely believe in. If that sounds like you, then dive in and explore the world of affiliate marketing. But remember, success comes with dedication and a genuine desire to help others. All right, everyone, welcome back. We've just explored the exciting world of affiliate marketing, and hopefully those creative juices are flowing. But maybe the idea of creating tons of content isn't your jam. Perhaps you've always dreamt of having your own online store, but the thought of managing inventory sends shivers down your spine. Well, fret no more, because dropshipping might be your golden ticket. Method hash 2. Dropshipping. Your online store awaits. Without the stockroom. Imagine having a virtual storefront overflowing with the coolest gadgets, the trendiest clothes, or the most unique home decor items, all without the hassle of storing a single box. That's the beauty of dropshipping. Here's the deal. You find a reliable supplier who warehouses and ships products for you. You create your online store, a digital haven for all your amazing finds, with your own markup, of course. And when a customer makes a purchase, you simply forward the order to your supplier. They handle the packaging, shipping, and poof, the product lands on your customer's doorstep. It's almost like magic. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not exactly. Dropshipping requires some serious research upfront. Finding trustworthy suppliers with competitive prices is crucial. Remember, you're essentially handing your reputation over to them, so choose wisely. You'll also need to focus on marketing your store like a pro. With so much competition out there, standing out from the crowd is essential. Did you know? According to a recent study, the global dropshipping market is expected to reach a staggering $591.77 billion by 2023. That's a massive pool of potential customers waiting to discover your unique store. Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons to help you decide if dropshipping is your perfect match. Pros of dropshipping: low upfront costs. No need to break the bank on inventory. Say goodbye to overflowing basements. Wide range of products to sell. The world is your virtual marketplace. Sell anything your heart desires. Flexible location. Manage your store from the comfort of your couch, a beachside cafe, or anywhere with Wi-Fi. Relatively easy to get started. The technical barriers are lower compared to traditional online stores. Cons of dropshipping: lower profit margins. Since you're not buying in bulk, your profit per sale might be smaller. Limited control over quality and shipping times. You rely on your supplier, so choose wisely. High competition. The online marketplace is crowded. Effective marketing is key to success. Is dropshipping right for you? If you're tech-savvy, enjoy the challenge of crafting a winning marketing strategy and have a knack for finding great deals. Then, dropshipping could be your path to online business success. Remember, research is your best friend, and a commitment to providing excellent customer service is key to building a loyal following. All right, everyone, for the final leg of our journey, let's shift gears a bit. We've explored content creation and managing online stores, but maybe you crave a more social approach. Perhaps you have a hidden photographer within you, a knack for capturing everyday moments in a stunning light, or a passion for a specific niche that you just love to share with the world. If that sounds familiar, then fasten your seatbelts, because the world of Instagram theme pages is about to take flight. Method #3: building a community and earning on Instagram. Let's face it, Instagram isn't just about documenting your latest avocado toast creation anymore. Although, hey, if that's your thing, go for it. Theme pages have become powerful tools for building targeted communities around shared interests. And guess what? They can also be a fantastic way to make money online. Here's the concept: choose a niche that sets your soul on fire. Whether it's travel photography, mouth-watering desserts, or the hilarious antics of your pet chinchilla. Yes, you read that right. Create high-quality content, captivating photos, engaging videos, and interactive stories that truly resonate with your chosen theme. As your audience grows, so does your influence. And that's where the magic happens. Ready to turn your passion into profit? Once you've cultivated a loyal and engaged following, you have several avenues to explore. Partner with brands for sponsored posts, where you showcase their products to your audience in a creative way. Promote affiliate products that align with your niche, recommending items you genuinely love. Or if you're feeling particularly entrepreneurial, consider creating your own merchandise. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, emblazoned with your unique brand identity. The possibilities are truly endless. Did you know? Some popular Instagram theme pages can command thousands of dollars per sponsored post. Imagine turning your passion into a paycheck. Pretty incredible, right? Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide if building an Instagram theme page is your calling. Pros of Instagram. Theme pages. Relatively low barrier to entry. All you need is a smartphone, a creative eye, and a passion to share. Fun and engaging. Connect with people who share your interests, fostering a sense of community. High earning potential. With a dedicated following, the possibilities are lucrative. Flexible work schedule. Manage your page on your own time, fitting it around your existing lifestyle. Cons of Instagram. Theme pages. Growing a large audience takes time and effort. Be prepared for consistent content creation and audience engagement. Algorithm changes can impact your reach. Stay up to date on Instagram's ever-evolving algorithm to maintain visibility. dealing with negativity. The internet can be a harsh place. Grow a thick skin and focus on positive interactions. Is building an Instagram theme page right for you? If you're brimming with creativity, enjoy connecting with others online, and have a niche you're passionate about showcasing, then give Instagram theme pages a try. Remember, success comes with dedication, a commitment to providing valuable content, and the ability to navigate the ever-changing social media landscape. So there you have it, 3 proven ways to make money online. If you're curious to learn more about any of these methods, leave a comment below and let me know. And if you are interested to know how big YouTubers make money by fooling you, then you can watch my video in which I have exposed it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content on making money online and growing your online business. Thanks for joining me on this journey.